Hello students, in this video I will explain about the chapter waste. Waste is something which is of no use or purpose. It consists all the things we intend to throw or have already discarded. Students, there are generally three types of waste: gaseous waste, solid waste and the liquid waste. Solid waste may be of two types, that is biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. These are biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. Now let us discuss about the biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste can be broken down in weeks or months by natural agents like oxygen, UV rays, acid rain, water, microorganisms and bacteria. Biodegradable waste dissolves and becomes a part of the soil, and it decomposes into simpler compounds. Example of biodegradable waste: it ultimately gets dissolved and becomes a part of the soil. Biodegradable waste add nutrients to the soil and make it fertile because it decomposes into simpler substances. Different type of waste material take different amount of time to break down. All type of waste that break down in weeks or months and become a part of the soil constitute biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste are not a threat to the environment. Our kitchen waste is common example of biodegradable waste. These are few examples of biodegradable waste: kitchen waste, sewage waste and manure. Biodegradable waste is used for making compost, which is an organic matter. Uses of biodegradable waste: biogas can be used as a fuel from the biogas plant. Now come to the next type, that is non-biodegradable waste. The waste that cannot be broken down into simpler molecules by various natural agents even in hundreds of years is called non-biodegradable waste. Non-biodegradable material neither react or dissolve in any medium. This kind of waste are not affected by harsh weather conditions, not due to humidity, pressure or temperature. They are not affected by these conditions. So these wastes do not contribute to the environment. Non-biodegradable waste are just increasing the size of huge waste trains. Examples of non-biodegradable waste: plastic is the biggest threat to our environment. It takes hundreds of years to break down. Students, even when it starts to break down, it releases toxic chemicals that go in the soil as well as in the air. These toxic chemicals can cause air, water and soil pollution. Non-biodegradable waste cannot break down. We should recycle non-biodegradable waste. Waste plastic, plastic recycling center and can be used to make new plastic. Non-biodegradable waste includes aluminum can, plastic bottles, glass utensils, plastic objects, metal scrap. We should always prefer to use biodegradable materials. Try to reduce the uses of non-biodegradable material so that less non-biodegradable waste is generated. Try to reduce the use of non-biodegradable materials, students, so that less non-biodegradable waste are generated. Put different type of waste in different bins. Glass separate from the plastic and plastic separate from the cans. They are recycled in factories. Plastic recycled in plastic factories. Water, paper recycled in paper factory to make new paper. Same is the metal scrap. We should use our waste as much as we can to produce something useful from it. Municipal waste can be sent to incineration plants for producing energy from it. Chemical and other harmful waste should be treated before dumping them under the ground. Thank you, students.